In 2018, a man posted on social media that his dog had run away. He searched everywhere but couldn't find him. A week later, the man received a message from someone saying they found his dog at their house. The stranger explained that the dog followed them home and refused to leave. When the man went to pick up his dog, he was shocked to see how happy he looked. It turned out the dog thought it was family and didn't want to go back. The man laughed, hugged his pup, and thanked the kind stranger. Sometimes dogs have better plans than we do. If you enjoyed this heartwarming story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tales.